Welcome again, my friends. I congratulate you on the year 2024, which will be better for all.
Welcome again, my friends. I congratulate you on the year 2024, which will be better for all.
Today's idea, my friends, is to design a button whose task is to move to a special sheet.
Today's idea, my friends, is to design a button whose task is to move to a specific sheet.
The name of the button is the same as the name of the sheet we went to select.
The name of the button is the same as the name of the sheet we want to select.
These lines are important because they make it easier for us to move to many papers in a fast way.
These lines are important because they make it easier for us to move to many papers in a faster way.
I went to thank to the programmer how they presented the idea of designing the 2024 calendar.
I want to thank the programmer who presented the idea of designing the 2024 calendar.
Thank you fall for wing up, my friends. We will meet on Friday after a month on 2nd February 2024.
Thank you for following up, my friends. We will meet on Friday after a month on the 2nd of February 2024.
مرحبا بكم من جديد أصدقائي، أهنئكم بسنة 2024 لتكون خير للجميع. فكرة اليوم أصدقائي هي تصميم زر مهمته الانتقال إلى ورقة معينة. اسم الزر هو نفسه اسم الورقة التي نريد تحديدها. هذه الأسطر مهمة لأنها تسهل علينا الانتقال إلى أوراق كثيرة بطريقة أسرع. أريد أن أشكر المبرمج الذي عرض فكرة تصميم تقويم 2024. أشكر متابعتكم أصدقائي. نلتقي في يوم الجمعة بعد شهر بتاريخ 2/2/2024.